Howdy Denny here. And as you can see, I've got my flannel shirt and my sweater on because it's still cold here. My goodness, it's cold. But nonetheless, we've got some painting to do, and we're going to put in our ground today. So let's head on over to the easel and get some ground in the painting, and we'll see where we go from there. But on the way there, if you're in this cold country, get yourself something warm to drink, and I'll meet you there. And by golly, here we are. Let me get myself pulled up to the action station. And now today, we're going to take care of some foreground. Okay, now we've got an orange here, okay, and we're just going to put that orange right in here, just like that. I know it's barely visible, but that's all we want, okay. Now we've got some darker orange that's got some brown in it, okay. And we're just going to pull that right in here, just like that. Real easy to do. There we go, just like that. Okay, and we're just going to bring that down here a little bit more. There we go. There. I'm liking that. Now, what we need is we're going to have green in here for the foreground. You see how that's kind of just moving up into that orange? That's exactly what we want. I'm going to darken that green a little bit, just like that. We're just going to let that pull up there and interact with it all it wants to. Okay, now we're just going to put green all over the place in here. It'll have some lighter and some darker. Okay, just some lighter and some darker green. And we're getting our landmass blocked in, okay? And these are known as the home colors. Okay, that just means this is the color that it is at its base. And we can go in here and we can amend the colors all over the place. But right now, and we want some of that white. But right now, we have pretty much got what we were looking for. Okay, a little bit darker right here, just a little bit. There we go. We'll just drag that down here a ways. Now tomorrow, we can start some amending work. And we've got a tree that's going in. So be with me tomorrow. In the meantime, be sure to like, subscribe, follow, hit the link, and leave comments. Let me know how we're doing. And remember that Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you. Okay. Well, that wasn't too bad now, was it? We got our ground in. We got the base color in. Now tomorrow, we're going to get us a tree form in there. And we're getting pretty doggone close to the end of this one. And so, be with me tomorrow, by golly. And we'll see what we can accomplish. In the meantime, be sure to like, subscribe, follow, for goodness sakes, tell your friends about us. Hit that bell icon so you get all notifications here on YouTube. And I just want to say welcome to the new followers who have come over from TikTok. I appreciate every one of you. I love you. Tell your friends. Let's get everybody over here, okay? And in the meantime, remember that Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you. We love you.